Hello friend, now we are going to see how we can download and install PHP in Windows 11. First of all, open your browser and search PHP and hit enter. And after that you can see the first link, just click here. And after that you can see the download button, just click here. Now here you can see the latest version and you can see the Windows option, just click here. Now here we have non-thread safe version and thread safe version. Always choose the thread safe version, just click here. Now your PHP file, zip file is successfully downloading. Okay, after download, just click on show in folder. And double click on it and extract all, and just click on extract. Now after that, just rename it. Rename from here to till the version and hit enter. And after that I just copy this, copy, and come to the C drive and come to program folder and paste it here. Paste it, want your permission, just continue. Now after that, just open this folder and copy the path, and after that just cut this out and just open system environment variable, click on OK or enter and click on environment variable and come to the path and just double click on it, and here just click on new and paste the path, and after that just click on OK, click on OK and click on OK. Now just type cmd and hit enter. Now type php version and hit enter. You can see we successfully installed PHP in our Windows machine. Okay, now after that just cut it out. Now after that just double click and create a new folder, name it PHP, enter, and after that just double click on it and just double click here and create a text document, and here provide test.php. if you are not showing extension, just click here and click on show. Okay, click on show and click on file name extension. Okay, now just click on yes. You can see test.php is created, and after that open with notepad. Okay, now I just increase the size, it is good. Now just provide angular bracket question mark and provide PHP and hit enter, and after that provide echo space and provide double quote, and here I provide hello PHP. Now after that close this with question mark and angular bracket. Okay, now after that just click on save and cut this out, and now after that just type here cmd and hit enter. Now here provide PHP and after that test.php and hit enter. Now you can see hello PHP is printed. See, we created an echo. Okay, This is how you can download and install PHP in your Windows machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.